Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to share about a game that you can use to learn Quran's words, meaning of Quran's words in easy and enjoyful way. So this is a game developed by Malaysian company. So the game consists of surah in Al-Quran, started from Surah An-Nas until the last surah, which is, we have here Surah Al-Fat. So total 114 surah, but the sequence of the surah is not according to the structure in the Mashaf. So every surah, the game will select a few words that are repeating inside the Quran, so that every surah will give you some words that you can learn to memorize the meaning of the words in English. So for example, if I click Surah An-Nas, which is the first surah, it will lead you to start the game. Then we go, just follow the flow. So we start by Surah An-Nas, then we click start. First, the first words that we want to remember is Qul. The meaning is say.
An-Nasi.
An-Nas, the mankind.
Suduri.
Suduri, meaning chest. And Al-Jinnati.
Al-Jinnati.
So you can see the meaning of the words below the Arabic words. That's mean the jinn. So we click next. And then we click start. So we need to memorize that words, which is 5 words. First we start with the words cool. So previously cool have a meaning. The English word is say. Anas, which means the mankind. So the game will say wonderful, and then you can click continue. So you can click to hear the words. Cool mean say. Right. So wonderful. Anas mean the mankind. Click check. Sudur mean the chest. Suduri, why? Is obviously false. The meaning is chest. Al-Jinnati mean the jinn. Right. So wa mean and.
Al-Jinnati.
Alright, the meaning is the jinn. And click check. Wonderful. Continue. And so you can click the word here to hear the how to read it.
Al-Insana.
For example, this one A'budu, you can click here.
A'budu.
You can hear the words in the
Ainin.
Arabic. So N meaning wa. Al-Jinnati meaning the jinn.
Wa.
N. Obviously you can already remember the words. Actually it's very easy and enjoyable way, especially if you have kids, I mean 8 years and above, and then even you are already in 20, 30, 40 or 50 or 60 plus, you can still playing this game to remember the words, because it's very easy and enjoyable to remember all the words.
Qul.
Qul means say. Right, the mankind. An-Nas.
An-Nasi.
Right. Wonderful. So you can.
Suduri.
Suduri means chest.
Qul.
Qul means say. An-Nas, the mankind. Alright, 15 in a row. So you can still continue. You can see the progressive bar at the top of the game. Say mean cool.
Qul.
Alright, tap the pairs. Cool mean say. Al-Jinnati mean the jinn. An-Nas mean the mankind. Alright, wonderful. Continue. Tap the pair. Wa and chest suduri. Alright. So we have finished the first round. So you have collected some bonus XP point. So you can click continue. You get double XP for 1 hour. Right, continue. So every time you play the words, if you get some new words, the words will go inside this part. So you can click this section right above, right top part. So when you click that part, you can see how many words that you already learn and understand. So for me, I have learned about 302 words, and then for the green one, that means I have already learned and memorized the meaning of the words in Arabic and also English. So we have 5 new words that we just played just now. You can click to see what words we already play or remember the new words. So we have nakhlan, mean date palms, nutfah, sperm drop, tanfa'a, its benefits, al-kufar, the disbelievers, ursilu, they were sent. When you practice, all the new words will go into goods. So after another practice, all the good words that you already learned will go into strong. So it will move part from new to good and from good to strong. So we try the practice part. Right, so just get ready. And then we click start. The earth, al-ardu. Zunuba, sins, true. Alam, did not. Alright, wonderful. Al-qamar, the moon. Salah, prayer. Alright, wonderful. Al-utiya, he was given. Yes, true. The jinn, al-jinnati. Read, iqra. Anharu, the river. Al-mu'minina, the believers. Others, akhirina, this, hadha. Turn, anab, il-mukaththibin, to those who deny. Who, alladhi. Alright, you are great, 15 correct. Okay, you can continue. Khalaqa, he created, true. Yakunu, he will be, yes, true. With, be. Udkhuli, enter, yes, true. Akbara, the hearing, false, this means the bigger one. Inda, they listen, false. They earn, yaksibuna. Tanfa'a, the matters, yes, true. Oh, it's wrong. The most high. Al-a'la, as-sabil, the way, yes, true. Dhanna, he thought. Wrong, zalam. Ani, the mankind, is false. That those who think. Ayahsabu, he envy. Urjuli, hasada, yes, hasada. Messenger, rasulun. Awliya, false. Lamma, not yet. Alright, nice practice made perfect. So we have answered 33 questions and we have one wrong question that we answer. Then we can click continue. XP power up. Right. So if we accidentally wrong, every time we click the wrong answer, it will go into review. So at the right side of the game, you can click the review. Then you can see what word that you have made a mistake. For example, just now, tanfa'a means it benefit. So you can relearn the words by clicking start. Alright, so just start. Then you can click here.
Tanfa'a.
If you are in meeting or somewhere that you cannot use your speakers, you can click can't listen now. Right? Click tanfa'a means its benefit. Right. So when you check and continue, congratulations, you have completed all your review. So your mistake already been corrected. Alright. So 1 promoted, 2 good. Alright. So now you can click again here to practice, then you can see new words already reduced and the good already increased. And then when you do another practice, all the good here, the good part will go into strong, right? So that's all I want to share with you today. Hope it will benefit you, and then you can learn more words in the Al-Quran. Then even you do you do about 10 to 15 minutes a day. You play this game 10 to 15 minutes a day. Within a year, you will learn so many words that you can understand the Quran when you read the Al-Quran just after 1 year, if you play this game every day. So hopefully it will benefit you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.